Good morning, guys. It is September 18th and it's raining. We were supposed to do some landscaping today, but that's gonna get held off till it gets done raining. But in the meantime, we're gonna get some stuff done here at the laundromat that we've been neglecting. I've got 3 iPhones coming in today for screen repair, 1 iPhone 6 and 2 iPhone 7s. So it worked out perfect for it to rain, but would have been nice. We continued on the landscaping project, but you cannot control the Mother Nature. So I gotta fix them phones and then put in payroll this morning. And then Michael is gone for the next 2 days. He took some time off. In the meantime, I've got Ashton coming in to help today and tomorrow. We're gonna tear out the carpet in the laundromat. I've been wanting to do that for the longest time, so today I'm gonna do it. Morning.
Morning.
How's your weekend?
Good.
Alright guys, the customers dropped off the phones. Right there, we got all the phones. We're gonna fix that. But right now, I've got to run up and we got to go get a scraper up at Henning Rental. To scrape the glue off the cement floors when we pull off the carpet. So we're gonna go see what they've got for a scraper. So yeah, we'll go do that first before I fix the phones. Guys, we are back and the rain isn't letting up, by the way. Guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna rip all this carpet in here and that and refinish the concrete underneath here, because the concrete underneath is nice. Once we refinish it and polish it, it'll look awesome. So as you can see, the carpet really needs to come up. So I'm gonna have Ashton pull that up and then scrape the glue off of it. So should we move that? Okay. We're starting to pull this up. No, the razor blade. We gotta get it in the garage.
Yeah.
All right. So here's the scraper that we've got. That just extends, I think. Should extend like that. And it's got blades right on the tip of it, as you can see. So, oh yeah, look at how clean this gets this glue off. Check this out. Set that down. Watch how clean, how easy that glue comes off. Look at it. Right? Alright guys, so Jake from Henning Rental brought the equipment and we are going to try it on one spot. So this takes out the glue.
This is, yeah, just for the glue removal.
So
this is by no means a final step, but it should get us cleaned up.
right.
And my hope is that it doesn't scuff enough so that we can just come in with a burnisher on like a 30 grit with a pad and make this all real smooth, and then you can determine how far you want to take it to what kind of shine. So yeah, I know it's terrible. So what it is, there's a head that has these little flexible chips, rubber chips, and there's a piece of tin with some vacuum brazed diamonds on it. And it's going to be hopefully just enough to kind of take this glue and ball it up, and then allow it to kind of suck it away. We'll see how much dust we have and how bad that is, but it should go pretty well. And I have some new chips with me. These are old used ones that we can try and just see how well they work, and if they work, we'll just keep burning them. Well, this is cheap. Wait till we get to the diamond part. Yeah, or the bigger stuff. Don't mean to scare you.
This is by no means sponsored, guys. I'm paying for this. We got a lot of glue to take out yet. What's that?
Looks way a lot better.
Yeah.
It wasn't hard getting that stuff up.
Yeah. It's rough on that thing.
Imagine what it's gonna do over there. That stuff's hard to get up.
So we're gonna call it a day, guys. Put stuff away, and then I think we're gonna be doing landscaping hopefully tomorrow.